Okay, a glimpse of things to come for my channel. But right now, why don't you guys go along with me outside to saw up an old dead tree. I'll let you watch me do it. Yeah, using a power chainsaw. I've seen old John, the Pro Cut, use one. I've been using one quite a bit longer than he has probably, but he's probably much better at using one than me. Because I'm an old man and I do things slow. And regardless, we're going to go out and try to saw up. It needs sawed up out in the yard. First, got to get the saw ready. We'll go down here and out in the garage, get her going. It ought to be a fun time. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? We'll see. Get the old flannel jacket and we'll head out. Weather's turning kind of cold, and my garage is not insulated, as you can see. But there sits the old saw. We're gonna get it out, probably get a sharp blade on there, and get out and we'll cut down that old tree. Not cut down, it blew down. We'll cut it up. Okay, we'll be back directly out there. Well, got the blade on, the sharp blade on, and we're gonna go out and do a little sawing. We're out here in the back corner of the yard, and there's what I want to be sawing up. I had picked up all the loose already, and some old truck cap sitting there. So I'm only going to saw up from the end of it there to about right in there where it goes into the, because that's as far as back as and we're going to see how she does here. Give her a little, push her little pump up the gas in there a little bit. There, she's starting to go through there now. How about that? Usually starts pretty good. That's how you saw a log up. All right. We got her done. We're gonna shut her down. And there it is. I don't guess y'all want to see me toss those logs off over in the edge of the grass. I guess I could put it on the time lapse and let it show me working like that. And one last chore to clean up that you must do always after chainsawing, especially if your jeans are rolled up. You got to do this. See, you have to do that, or else you go in the house and you do it, and your wife sees you and you get in trouble. And then you do the other one. See, like that right there. And then you're good to go. All right, see you guys later. Peace out.